Perfect. Now that he's gone, everybody, we have to go kill Kate. Or, on the other hand, I could just do my amazing malicious plan of making everyone sick. At least as sick as me. That was quite a splash zone. Sorry about that, Snuggle. Oh, I see I got it all over your face. Do me a favor, please pass that tissue box. Number 287. Yes, right this way. Oh my, that's heavy. Sitham. Sitham! Yes, sir, what is it? Did you order the skyscraper-sized tissue box? Because I haven't seen this. Oh, yes, sir. I ordered it 17 days ago. So be it. Ah, there we go. Perfect. That was like a nose explosion and... ding-dong! Who the blast is that knocking at this hour? Plus we have a dead body and everything. Sitham, answer this door. Hello? Sniff, you suck. What did she say? I'm not sure about that, sir. But look, we found a letter. Give me that. I've reached 1 million snorty tissues. Yeah! Oh, this is absolutely amazing. I'm going to go do a victory sneeze in my sneezing room. I'll be right back, everybody. Perfect. Now, that just gave me an idea. Snuggle, prepare the snarage. The snarage? The snarage? Oh, don't you know? It's a mix between the words snot and carriage. Now go get it. Which one? You know, the one that's painted with my snot. Okay, fine. The 5th out of the 498 we've made. We have to do something with all of that leftover snot. Anyways, now that Buttersnot is dead. Oh, and that's one more thing. Sitham, get rid of the dogs. I don't want them to see the mess I'm about to make. Of Kate. I forget what her last name is. Yes, sir. Come on, dogs. And you, Mr. Murdering Service? Yes? You're coming with me. Oh, also, go and get that knife out of dead Buttersnot, if you will. Oh, there's no way I'm getting that. Well, then I suppose you'll miss out on all the fun. Well, if that's the case...